What's up, y'all? Rolling a little late today, but let's get to it. All right, you know how we do. We go straight to our trading system and journal. Oops, oops again. Make sure my settings are correct. All right, all right. All right, today is the 22nd. News review. Let's look at this news, y'all. Today, Thursday the 22nd, 8:30 news we had. We got something in the evening, so we should be in the clear. Nothing crazy should be popping out on us. You know how we do. Our time frame identified, bias identified. Let's look at it. We do know gold has been going up and it's starting a little retracement as far as in Q broke structure to the, let's go to the daily. We broke structure to the downside here on the daily time frame and now it's starting to retrace. So if this area holds, then we can look forward to it going down. So we're clear on that. Key levels marked up. Let's go ahead and do that on NQ. Daily time frame. Broke structure there. We'll do that with a red indication. 4-hour time frame. Our last breaker structure was here. As you can see, we're getting break, retracement, break. So our last break was here, but another break was here. Major break. So we'll mark that up. We use green for our 4-hour. And the 1-hour. 1-hour did this. Definitely missed this break yesterday. Broke, came back nicely. And then on lower time frame, you see it go up, but it was out of the New York session. So, and then it's continuing to go up. So we're going to see if this level holds. And then let's go back to the gold. Go to our daily. As you know, we've been continuing going up on gold. So we'll mark that up on the daily as our indication. 4-hour. 4-hour. This is the last high. It's just been going sideways since, and then here. So we'll just mark this right here, our 4-hour indication. That was our last high. We'll trace a little bit, then broke up. And then our 1-hour. 1-hour. It's our last support level, and we'll just call this an equal high. And it broke that low on the 1-hour. Stop right here at a lower high, lower low, lower high, equal lows. So we'll see if this area holds today. So gold is looking like a better, if we were to go against the grain, a better sell option right now. All right. And we'll mark that the break here at first, then here. And so this area holds, that will be our lower high, lower low on the 1-hour, and this will be another lower high. And we're going to look for a lower low on a smaller time frame. So gold is probably what I'm going to go with today. Key levels marked, yes. Liquidity zones. So for that, our liquidity, we want to attack these lows. This low right here. If we break this, then we're not trading that because then it broke some sort of resistance and then it's going to create a new higher high. So watch for this. This is our target area. And if we get overzealous over here, down here, as far as NQ, I already marked that up. Support. I am looking for a sell on this because I think this is just a retracement. But if it breaks these highs right here, then it could potentially go back up on the daily time frame bias. So for me to take a sell, obviously we're targeting down here below the 4-hour indication. So you got your indication, tracement, and then somewhere down here. So we probably won't be focusing on A zone for this today. So it's looking like gold, y'all. We're gonna go with gold. We have had a trade all week. All week. New York session context clear. Yes, for gold. Risk defined. I'm risking, since we didn't have a trade yet, I'm just going to risk what we left off with last week. That'd be 330. Emotional state, pretty chill. Right now, I'm kind of excited because I am going home, catching a flight tomorrow morning back to my hometown. So, all right, this gave us the go, so we can go to our strategy entry checklist. We can put this today's date on 22, 26. We will be looking for a sell. Did price make a clear indication on the 1-hour time frame? Yes, in the direction of the higher time frame. So in this scenario, in the direction of, it wouldn't be in the direction of the higher time frame because the higher time frame, even on the 4-hour, is still bullish. But if we go off of just the 1-hour time frame, we are seeing structure break indication. Now it's doing this retracement. Did price make a correction back to the original? Yes, it did. As you can see here, after the break, it went back right away, came back down, and is back again. So that's a yes. Did price make a break structure on the 5 and 15 minute? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. That's what we're looking for. So on the 15, we are this high, lower high, lower low, lower high. Kind of make a lower low equal low here, but we still have a lower high. And it just broke that on the 15. So this will be our support on the 15. These candles did just break lower, and then we got a lower high. This high is lower than this high, lower than that one, it's lower than that one. And this low is lower than that one. So 9:30 ring-a-lings on the 5-minute. 5-minute, we definitely broke right here, making that lower low. And if this holds and price comes back down here, we will look for a potential sell. And we're going to target this low area right here. So for our journal, it did give us a break of structure to the downside. If so, the price make a lower low and a lower high. Well, it made a lower low, but it didn't make a lower high yet. So if this is the break on the 5 minute, she broke right here too, swept up, grabbed some liquidity, came back down, broke another low. So yeah, price break at this area right here, definitely gonna enter for a sell. Especially if this area holds. Do this. Don't have that. Don't have that. Yes. Sorry, doing my check-in for tomorrow. Upgrade. I'd like to try to upgrade you. I already know upgrade. See you. What is all this? Yeah, all right, market opens in 4 minutes, y'all. On up. What we looking at today? 14. Of course, of course, I wouldn't be logged in. Damn it. Oh yeah, I'll be back because I gotta end this live and get my information. To log into my broker's account. And we don't want to show you guys that, of course not. I'll be back.